Most homeowners are thinking that they'll just sit and wait for the market to come back. So let's take a look at a graph that'll show you how long that's going to be. If your original loan was $350,000, interest only, which will be indicated here, today's value may reflect a value of $180,000. And if today, that's the big if in this, we were appreciating at 4%, you can see that you would be upside down for almost 18 more years. Wow. Think about that. You're going to be paying to live on the Titanic for 18 more years. Whereas if you do the short sale, you can see where the value of the home will be, and considering we're not appreciating, that we're still declining, the same neighborhood you live in could be less than what you sell for today. But I know you're sitting out there saying, I don't have an interest-only loan. My loan was amortized. I surely must be in better shape. So if you look at this chart showing an amortized loan and the same 4% appreciation, you're absolutely correct. You are in better shape. It'll be a little over 12 years that you'll be living on the Titanic. And the same situation where if you do a short sale, that home is going to be worth marginally less based on the fact that we're still depreciating than what you sell it for today. Life's about choices. Now you've seen the numbers, give us a call, 480-CHOICES.